Hey guys, this is Dad's Toys and Things, and this is my dash cam. Right now it's off, and I wanted to find a way to power this thing when my vehicle is not running. The socket on this thing, this is a 2018 Honda Odyssey, doesn't work if the vehicle is off. And so I found this. This is a USB to 12 volt car cigarette lighter socket. So let's open it up. Okay, pretty simple device. You got the USB male here, and you got the socket on the other side, the female socket on the other side. There's a lot of this out there, but a lot of them are short. The cable is short, so I opted for a longer one. So let's see how this works. I got my power bank in here, if I can find it. So I got my power bank in here. See how much I have left. I still got 100, and I'm gonna see. There you go. So no power is being drawn, but this thing is on. I'm gonna put that in there, and let me see if I can find that thing. Okay, take this one off. Okay, this one, and connect this too. Sorry guys, it's not easy doing it with one hand, and I gotta initially turn this on. Okay, it's drawing power. There you go. Now it's drawing 1.7 amp, 5.2 volts, and I got 100%. What am I going to use this for? Again, when my vehicle is off, this thing is off. So if you're on a parking lot and you wanted to make sure, at least in the front, if somebody's, doing something that shouldn't be doing, then this thing's still on. Now that automatically turned off. I don't know. Let's see. Let's wait a few seconds, up to 30 seconds, see if this thing turns off by itself. I don't know exactly why it did that, but you can see now I'm 99%. Power draw is about 1.6 amps and 5.2 volts. And there you go. 30 seconds into it, this thing is still on, and my vehicle is still off. And with the longer cable, I can just hide this thing where nobody sees it, and this thing keeps on running. Yeah, I think this works. I'll leave it on for a few minutes and see what happens. I'm now at at least 1 minute into it. I'll leave it, and I'm gonna come back after a few minutes, see if this thing is gonna run continuously or if it's gonna turn off manually. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes. So I'm back 30 minutes later, and this thing is still running. So I think this is gonna run until my the power in my power bank runs out. As you can see, this is looping. Now I'm at 87%. It's drawing 1.3 amps and 5.2 volts. So there you go. This solution works. Now how long this thing will runs depends on your power bank. This is supposed to have 26,800 mAh. I don't know if it really has that much, I think it's about half of that, but it should power this thing for a few minutes or few hours, because yeah, I think about few hours. This thing, I'm at 30 minutes and I lost about 13%. So this solution works. Okay guys, thank you for watching another episode of Dad's Toys and Things, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.